Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we would be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions, and today the question which we are going to discuss is gas station. So let's go to this question and see what it says. So the question states that there are n gas stations along a circular route where the amount of gas at ith station is gas I. You have a car with an unlimited gas tank and it cost I of gas to travel from ith station to next I plus 1th station. You begin the journey with an empty tank at one of the gas stations. Given two integer arrays gas and cost, return the starting gas station's index if you can travel around the circuit once in the clockwise direction, otherwise return -1. If there exists a solution, it is guaranteed to be unique. So we are given these two arrays gas and cost. So this means that if we are starting from this first station and if we want to go to the next station, then it will like we can fill one unit of gas here at this station, and it will also cost us 3 units of gas. So similarly, if you want to go from this second station to third station, then it we can fill a gas of 2 liters, and like for moving from second station to third station, we will have to like our 4 liters of gas will be consumed. So in this way we have to determine like whether there is any gas station which exists from which if we start our car, then can we reach again back to the station circularly, and like without our in this gas engine running out. So this is the question, and for this case we can see like if we start from this index. So for this we will get gas 4, and consumption will be 1. So when we will come here, so we will have 3 liters of gas, and here we will again fill 5, so we will have 3 5 8, and 2 consumption would be there, so 6 will be left. And now here like we will fill one gas more, so 6 plus 1 7 minus 3 4, so 4 will be left when we will come here. Now 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 minus 4 is 2, so 2 will be left when we will come here, and 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So we can reach here and it will be 0. So yeah, like we are outputting 3 because 0 1 2 3 3 is the index. So in this way like this question goes, and let's see to the explanation. So this is the gas given 1 2 3 4 5, and cost given 3 4 5 1 2. So at each station we will calculate what is the extra cost which we are incurring. So at first station we can see like we are getting gas of 1 liter, but we are incurring cost of 3, so -2. Then again at this station we are getting gas of 2 liter, but we are incurring cost of 4, so -2. So in this way like there are some positive values as well, so we'll have to consider this positive value, and what we'll do is like we will start iterating our loop, and then like whenever some positive is fine, like this 3 is coming, so we will just continue our iteration, and if it comes down to 0, like here 3 plus 3 will become 6. So when we will reach here, then we will have 6 liters of gas. But if it becomes 0 at any point, then we will set our then our current value to 0, and then we will continue the process. And when we have iterated our complete loop, then like whatever current liter of gas which we are having, so in this case our current liter of gas will be 3 plus 3 6 liter we would be having, and like we will go from 0th index to that index from which we had started, and we will calculate what is the gas which is being used, and if it is like if the total sum comes out to be greater than or equals to 0, then it is possible, otherwise we will output -1. So this is the explanation. Let's move to the code, then you will better understand how it goes. So initially we are setting current as 0. So this current will store finally how many liters of gas are present. So as in our case it was 6. So initially its value will be 0 and start would be -1. So start will store in our case as 3 because we will start from 3. So initially it is -1 and n is the gas size. So we will start iterating, and then we will calculate this this value we will calculate. So this will be calculated by gas of I minus cost of I. So if we subtract gas of I minus cost of I, then we will get this value. So we will increment our current, and we will see if start is -1. So if start is not set, Then, and if current is greater than 0, then we will set our start to I. Else current will be again updated, reset to 0. And there is another case, if start is set and if current is less than 0, then we will again set current as 0 and start would be set to -1, like we will unset the start. So start as -1 means we are unsetting it, and if we are assigning some value to start, then it means that we are setting some value. So in this way we will come out of the loop, and if still start is -1, then like we cannot get our answer, so we'll return -1. So in this case our start would be 3 and current value would be 6. So what we'll do is, like, we will define one more current 2 variable, and then we'll go from 0 to start, and then we'll calculate this gas I minus cost I. And now if this current plus current 2 is greater than or equals to 0, then we will return our start value, otherwise we will return -1. So this is the solution, and it is working in on time, and yeah, I think it should get accepted. So it is getting accepted here. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it is getting accepted. So I'll attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this description of the question and link of the question in the description of the video. So I hope you have understood this explanation of the question. So thanks and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, have a nice day.